Alright, y'all boys. It's your boy Slicks. I don't even do this YouTube shit, but you know, it don't hurt to try. But yeah, I'm gonna walk y'all through pros and cons of having a scat, man. And this scat is tuned, so yeah. Hold on, let me turn. But yeah, my car loud, bro. I got catless mid pipes, 3-inch, and I got a GLT intake with a 93 tune, custom dyno tune from Mid Florida Dyno, and the tune been running great, man. I ain't had no problems ever since, to be honest. Like, no problem with the motor or nothing. That bitch been running fine. But I'm gonna give y'all a little point of view, you know, ride around the sky. I'll give y'all a few pulls, and yeah, we'll go to the pros and cons. All right, y'all boys. So first pro, the car sounds good, man. You can't even lie, bro. These 392s, bro, they just got a different tone to them, bro. They just, especially if you tune, like, look at this, bro. I'm tuned, I'm about to put it in neutral. Watch this. Hey, bro, I love being tuned because, like, I'm different now, bro. I can say that I'm different. But yeah, you can bang the rev limiter with them. And I got a full straight pipe, so I got no cats, 3-inch catless mids, and GLT intake, and I'm on 93. So yeah, bro, the daily little combination, bro. You know what I mean? Y'all should just hear it from the outside. I got a little video for y'all. I'm gonna show y'all it. Second pro, man, this car, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. This car too fun to drive. Like, if you don't pay attention to how much fun you having, bro, you just gonna run out of gas every day. Literally, bro, every single day. That's how fast it drains. Look at this WRX. He don't want no smoke, man. I've been trying to get some races in this car. But yeah, man, the torque. This car got, like, good torque, bro. It ain't feel like no Mustang or no Camaro. Like, this car actually jumps. Let me show y'all real quick. I wish y'all could feel it, bro. But I'm going to the third pro. Third pro, man, this car reliable, bro. I ain't had no problem. I only had one problem with this car because I got it used. The pulley came off, but other than that, bro, the amount of abuse I do to this car, and it's still like, it ain't making no tick noises or nothing, man. You can't tell me these 392s reliable, bro. Yeah, they bad on gas, but come on, bro, it's an American V8. They not gonna break, man. Like, I ain't had no other problems with this car. It's fun to drive and it sound good. That's a whole good combination of getting a 392. Don't get me wrong. Yeah, this car got a lot of cons, but we're gonna get into that later. But other than that, bro, like, come on, bro. Listen to this car, bro. Listen to this car. Come on, bro. You can't resist that shit. All right, man. You gonna get on to the cons. You already know the first con. The gas is trash, bro. It's horrible, man. Like, the only thing that can save us is eco mode. But it's not bad to be in eco mode, but it's like, bro, your car feels sluggish. It don't shift right, and yeah. But I fill up. It depends what I'm driving, city or highway. If I'm on the highway, I'll fill up every 2 days. But city and like if you driving the car how it's meant to be, bro, not babying it, man, you fill your tank every day and a half, bro. So like, don't expect to get this car and get great gas mileage. Like right now, I reset my shit the other day. This ain't bad. 12.3 ain't bad, but I usually get around like 10. And that's because I reset it the other day. But I usually get around 10. Second con, the bad attention you get, bro. Everybody wants to race you. Police always want to pull you over. People always looking at your car like they want to steal your shit. You park your shit anywhere bad, your shit getting stolen. Like, you know what I mean? Bro, this car is a hood Lamborghini, bro. It gets too much attention, good and bad. So you just gotta watch your surroundings and watch what you get yourself into, man. Cause like, bro, nowadays, bro, people will crash into your ass. Wait till you got the car and rob you just to take your car. They don't care if it's damaged or not. Bro, they want that 392 motor. And they want all the interior. They want your seats and all. They gonna gut your car, bro. And the last con is the amount of tires you go through. When you get this car, tires is just a bill. Just add that onto your car payment, bro. If you want to be swinger and drifting or doing all them burnouts and donuts, bruh, just add that tire to your bill, because yeah, you ain't saving no tires with this car. And this car don't ever catch traction. So I'll tell you right now, boy, just save you a little money to the side every month for some tires. But yeah, bro, that's about it. I try to keep it short. I'm gonna give y'all a few pulls and I'm gonna just end the video, man. Oh man, bro, I love this car, bro. I do want to get faster though. I want a Hellcat so bad, like, honestly. But I can wait for it though. But yeah, man, give y'all a few pulls. Y'all let me know if y'all want more, and I'm out of here.